Established in 1988, the Broome Bird Observatory is a non-profit, non-government education and research facility. We are dedicated to studying and protecting Roebuck Bay's incredible shorebirds. We also host 40% of Australia's total recorded bird species. Visitors come to the BBO to camp, relax and take part on a birding tour. This is how we fund our research and activities. Migratory shorebirds are our main focus though, as many of these species migrate 20,000 kilometres each year. With many of these species being listed as endangered, it's important we have the infrastructure to help us engage and educate the public. We're currently progressing on our new Discovery Centre. This interpretive centre will inspire, educate and share the stories of Roebuck Bay's migratory shorebirds with the community. As a conservation establishment, we believe it's important that we have sustainable practices. Thanks to Water Corp and Lions Club community grants, backed by funding from ABEF, we've used our successful grant to install new solar panels and inverters. Boosting our existing system, we have already reduced our reliance on our backup diesel generator. Despite setbacks and timing, we are still progressing, and in the meantime we're enjoying using the energy created by the solar panels to run the BBO and our research. The staff are really excited to get going with the Discovery Centre, and a big thank you to Water Corp community grants.